Probably gonna be moving to LA. I do plan on when I'm out there selling my soul to the Illuminati.
At my beautiful, handsome, glorious, perfect, funny, charming, entertaining, pleasant, amazing, stunning, gorgeous, sexy, tanned, #1 on Cameo, rich and famous Katie.
My screen won't load. Please tell me she isn't wearing that black beanie again. Okay, tell me when your screen loads. Ooh, right behind you. Oh, right behind you. Right, so behind you. I can't stand you? Oh, then sit me.